Hello, my name is Jim Constantopoulos. I'm the campus director of Trebas Quebec Inc. Trebas has been an establishment in education institution since 1979. Here at Trebas, we're very proud to offer multiple programs from the creative field, the technical field, the business field, and everything in between. As far as Trebas business programs are concerned, we offer electronic commerce and online marketing. We offer the business administration program, and we also offer the supply chain program, which have been newly introduced. Including, of course, we have our Trebas creative programs. And Trebas creative programs is the way that Trebas began since 1979, as I mentioned. And we have our sound design programs, as well as our film and television program, and including, of course, the audio-visual post-production. Including in our offerings, we have the Trebas IT. And in Trebas IT, we offer programs in analytics, big data, and cybersecurity. As campus director, I'm very happy to mention that I support the students in collaboration with our fine staff in multiple departments. Departments from finance, student services, academics, reception, international law, and everything that the student might require while studying here with us. Of course, we cannot do this alone. We rely on very experienced teams for admissions and support. And of course, we have a very good relationships with several very interesting teams, including High Touch Global. And with High Touch Global, we have been collaborating for a while now and be able to support their students as our students to produce fine and satisfied graduates. Thank you. I'll be very happy to welcome you at the campus.